someone's life.
Maybe it's because we are not accepting.
We are not accepting you. So what? Life. Be in your lane. Don't go and marry a single woman who is looking for a husband who can give her sexual pleasure. Marry the girl, keep her in your house, and then we gay. Sorry, I'll call.
But do you know that majority of these men, they see the red flags. When him said before, Obama ye gay, you can't tell me says only the 1 year, 2 years old, and you never saw anything, because you realize that on your sexual with you, on your way, you will see this people they see over a scantia, and now say femininity. People who are got now who we are not afraid who say on senior that you are coming to blame the man, but maybe yes, the man didn't tell you, but then.
You could have seen
you and then you could have man before be sure no now I am plano no pearl and no calcuto and now who found oh because we are in a society and you say you was society I catch and say we are Christonina Ujinamiji wafenyamia. So that is Obama between your catch yourself. I don't want to. And unfortunately or fortunately, some women actually feel happy. So my man, he's not that kind of. Some women are like that. That's why I'm a big advocate of explore your sexual life before you get married.
But you see, there are two types.